Okay, so we are doing a quick site inspection at one of the properties that we manage. We are also doing the refurb for our landlord clients. And in fact, this property, it's a 3-bed property in Birmingham, has already been let to a really nice family. So pre-sold while the work's being done. So if you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen, and we let and manage really nice residential properties in and around the Birmingham area. And what we also do is we refurb properties like this, old properties, modernize them to a really good standard for our landlord clients, and then we let and manage them to really nice tenants. And we don't charge for this. So if you are a landlord client, for example, under management, and management is only 7% of the gross rent a month, then we'll do all this free for you. Well, we will project manage, we will coordinate, we'll do all the works free for you. Obviously the landlord client will still have to pay for the labour of the building team and also the materials, but we will get everything done without charging. And as you can see, everything it's been done to a really good standard. So there's a few things left to do. Just regrounding here. This is the final room. A lot of snagging. The flooring has got to come down. And then it's the snagging. I think we're going to put in some door stops as well. And then once that's all done, we just move our lovely new tenant clients in. And what I've liked about this project as well is Tom and the team is that they start putting these around the light switches, and they're really clever because this will now protect this area, from some grubby fingers. What it also does as well is that it also hides the finish around them, because normally you've got plaster that is sort of imperfection, so that would actually make that area much more presentable, and it will also protect it as well going forward. So that's really clever. So I think we'll ask Tom and the team to do that going forward. I'm going to talk to our landlord client and ask if it's okay to install some outdoor lights at the front of the house as well. Those outdoor lights sort of poke up and down, because they make the place look really good. It makes the place look safer, illuminates the area when you're in the dark trying to find your keys. And also they will attract really, really good tenant clients. Obviously this place is already tenanted, but it will be a good benefit for those new tenants. Alright, so if you like this sort of stuff, then don't forget to like and follow for more content like this. See you!